sound. What's cracking, lacking, squad? Today we at downtown, man. We got a special event going on. I believe it's cross country going on and around City World Tour, or they call it a rally. I believe it's the Goldrush rally, and yeah, stay tuned. We're gonna go check out some cars, and yeah, we over here. So let's get it. This is nice. Nice. Yeah, American Airlines Center. We got photographers. Look at this Mercedes over here. Crazy. Man, most cars leave already?
Yeah, almost all of them.
Damn. Yeah, guys, I got here a little bit late, but we got a Pagani here.
Yeah,
Oh, Corey. They rolling. Hey. Nice. GT3. Let's go check out some other cars around here. Excuse me, my man. Not good. You got a nice Maybach. Look at the wheels. Yeah, that thing's lit. We got more cars out here. I ain't mad, man. I didn't get to come and see the rest of the cars, but don't worry, guys. I got you. Oh, look at this. This is how you know they'll be going across country. I think they started off in Boston, I believe, and started working from the East Coast towards the South, and then towards we got the park up front, guys, up here. Nice. Got something special with them coming up. Got some Fords. That McLaren over there looking real clean. Is that real cash up there? Guys. They got Benjamin Franklin's up there.
You know who this is, right?
Nah.
This is Goldberg's.
Who?
Goldberg.
Goldberg, the wrestler?
Yeah.
No way. Is it here?
Yeah.
Where are they?
Right
Man.
now,
So guys, this car right here is Goldberg, the
they
wrestler.
came out from New York and Boston.
Yeah, I know they started off in Boston.
He's driving this thing.
Nice. They're riding around with cash and millions. I don't know, there might be $1 million right there. Probably more. Let's get this shot. Like I said, guys, I got something coming up with park up front. Real good people. Yeah, that noise, man, that sound is, it's a Lambo for real, for real. Let's go check out this McLaren, bro. Yeah, this wrap is crazy. GRX. Gold diggers. I feel that. I like that. Look at that, guys. We got a nice, oh, this is the bullwhip Lambo. Okay. Nice, nice. Nice, nice. I love the Huracans, man. This is so nice. Small, very fast. Don't gotta ask for much. That Ferrari though is real nice. Alright guys, you can see this event is almost over. Well, actually it is over. Woo! See if we can find some other cars. I've seen Total Redline here. I called them up. I don't know why I called them. I ain't knew he was here. He might be somewhere over there. Oh, there he goes over there. Total Redline. So what's up, man? You ain't tell me you was gonna come over here.
No.
Bro,
I didn't think I was. I got off work.
Yeah, I got here late, man. Ooh, that's an LFA. Let me get this real quick.
Right?
Yeah, definitely. I miss most of the cars. Never seen an LFA in person, man. This thing is a beast. Man, Brembo brakes with the red guts. Oh, this thing's fire. Like I said, this event was sponsored by Lexus. You see a lot of Lexus coming on around here. But this one right here, we got the photographers coming up here. I think this is the guy, designer of the Lexus. This thing is beautiful. I need to take a shot of this with my iPhone. Jesus. That sound. Amazing. Yeah, that's definitely a beautiful sound.
So unique.
Look at the exhaust, guys.
The tips.
Yeah. 3 pipes in the middle.
Thank you.
And they got it in the best color, white and black. Come on, man. I keep telling you guys.
Give it a rev.
Guys, we're gonna look inside the interior of this beautiful beast, man.
Nurburgring Edition.
Yeah, you see, that's why I like Redline. He knows everything. In case I don't know it, he knows it. Carbon fiber wing. Can you tell us a little bit more of the car, if you can?
Yeah, so this is it's an LFA, one of 500 made globally, 174 sold in the United States.
Nice.
This is a Nurburgring Edition. There was 50 of these built globally. Nurburgring Edition has special suspension, more carbon fiber, rear downforce, a lot of downforce in the back, and also diffuser in the front, or diffuser in the back, and more aero in the front to help it perform specifically the Nurburgring.
Right, right. Yeah, this is a beautiful car. What's the cost in this?
I think new is around $375,000, and today I've heard
Well,
it's going
resale
for like
price?
millions, or $1 million basically at auction.
What's that running the Nurburgring?
Man.
You know, when it came out, it set the record for production car, and I forget exactly what that was. I think it was 7 minutes, 20 seconds or something like that, but I forget.
Yeah, guys, this is a beautiful car. He just gave you some info on the car. Give you another look inside. Door handle right here.
Oh yeah, first time I heard of it. Did you make it with all the elevators?
Carbon fiber splitter. So guys, that was the Lexus people that came here. They was hosting the event. This is a beautiful car, man. I'm glad I got to see this in person. You know, I already said that already, but yeah, this is a beautiful car. Get this right here. So this is what he was talking about. In case you guys don't know what that is, that's a track, a famous track in Germany. So you know it's legit.
It's so quiet usually.
0 to 16, 3.6 seconds. Top speed, 202 miles per hour. Man. Yeah, guys, this is legendary right here. I'm glad I got to see it. So we got the $1 million truck with the $1 million in cash on top, and they told me it was Goldberg's truck. So we're about to find out if it is. And it came from New York. I can tell by the plates. We got the Ferrari. See that front bumper? Done. I hear you. We hear you. We hear you. From Texas. This rap is crazy. You're over here walkie-talkies. This thing's nice. Alright guys, I'm about to head out, and made it back to Panda. She's ready to ride and ready to roll. Peace.